Hey folks, welcome to my channel once again. So today I'm going to show you how to make a Dasheen leaf, Dasheen bush rice, right? The Dasheen bush, also known as taro leaves. So I have here the side here, this is 2 cups of the Dasheen bush already cut up and everything, washed and cut up and everything. And this is 1 onion finely diced. I have 1 hot pepper. This is 3 seasoning peppers finely diced, 1 stick of chive finely diced, and 1 cup of rice. And this is some parsley I have in the corner here. And for seasoning, I'm going to use my favorite seasoning, Bhagi seasoning, and I'm going to use a pinch of the turmeric powder just to give it a color, and of course for the health benefits of the turmeric powder. And I'll also be using 1 cup of coconut milk. So let's go to the stove and put everything together. Okay, so here's my pot on the stove. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. Now I'm going to add the onions, the seasoning pepper, and this is the chive. Allow it to saute for 2 minutes. Parsley and the hot pepper. Now I'm going to pour in the rice. Now the coconut milk. I'll also be adding more water for the rice to fully cook. Let's season this now. I'm going to use my Bhagi seasoning like I said. You can add whatever season that you like. Of course, that should do it. And of course I'll taste later on. And remember, I had the turmeric powder as one of the ingredients. I'm just going to add a splash, nothing too much, just about 2 pinches of the turmeric powder. If I didn't mention it before, the turmeric powder is optional. I'm going to add 2 cups of water, 2 more cups of water for this rice to get fully cooked. Okay folks, so here's my Dasheen leaf rice coming along really nicely. I tasted it and I added a little more salt and some black pepper. And it's good for me. So it needs about 2 more minutes. Let's say about, not 2 minutes, about another 5 minutes before all the liquid is dried down. This is just a quick, easy meal to make, and I'm doing the vegetarian version. Generally, some people put pigtails in it, you know, maybe saltfish. You know, you could be experimenting with it, but I'm doing the vegetarian version, vegan version of this recipe. Very easy to make and it's super delicious. Okay folks, so here's my Callaloo bush, Dasheen bush, taro leaves, rice, looking super delicious. I can't wait to dig into this. Alright guys, know the drill. If you enjoyed this recipe, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you get a notification each time I put in a video. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching and thanks so much for your support. Take care. Bye bye.